If you saw my other video about the tailgate damper called the X Class, then you'll appreciate that for a 50 grand car there are one or two bits I thought were missing off it. I received this kit from the same company, Autolink, as a freebie really, just to fit this what is a bonnet damping kit, presumably to hold the bonnet up, because normally you just get this the standard little strut to hold the bonnet up, which is perfectly adequate, but again, if you've got a Mercedes car you might expect it to have sort of like a damping arrangement to hold the bonnet up for you. So I'm just going to fit this, and hopefully it shouldn't be too difficult. First thing is you have to pop off the blanking plug which retains the washer filler cap. That's the first thing you have to do. Fairly straightforward, just take it easy with a flat bladed screwdriver, don't try and force it. Then you basically bolt this peg through the hole which you can get at once you've released the washer fluid cap, and you tighten that with a 12mm spanner. It's a bit fiddly to get the nut underneath, but if you're careful you'll soon find it. However, when you put the washer filler back using the original sort of retaining plug, because of the thickness of the washer, I don't think it really feels as secure as it should do. So I'm either going to replace that with a bolt probably, or maybe relieve the edge of the washer filler so that it doesn't sit on top of the this washer this washer. Not a big issue, but just something to watch out for. They do the same on the other side, bolt the peg through using the nut provided. Again, a bit fiddly, and I did drop the washer, so perhaps use some kind of sticky tape or something just to hold it on your fingers while you find it, but again, not too difficult. Right, so I've secured the two pegs, one on the chassis, one on the underside of the bonnet hood itself. It's time to fit the dampers themselves. However, there is a bit of a up, because as you can see, both ends of the damper rod have connections onto the ball end which are off to the side, and in the instructions it shows this end being on the end of the rod so it can push onto this peg, but it can't because it's on the side, as you can see. So that has to go down as a fail, I'm afraid. So I can't actually go any further. Perhaps I should have checked that before I got this far, but obviously I need to get different damper rods, or the supplier needs to give me different damper rods with a different end on one end. Oops.